everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I am excited to review the Spyderco Tasman Salt 2. Surge. The tail is on the screen. Sorry about that, you guys. Anyway, Spyderco Tasman Salt 2. I love this one. First of all, I love the fact that it is lightweight. I love the fact that it is part of the salt sort of category of Spyderco's, which makes it very for me. And let me tell you why. I live in an island. You guys know that. It's in Florida. And my lifestyle really revolves around going to the beach and fishing and kind of like that boating style, right? This knife is designed for that. So I'm wondering why I have not carried this or any of the salt line while I have been living here. Shame on me. Anyway, amazing. Why? So the salt line for Spyderco consists of a lot of different knife designs. You have probably seen the Ladybug, which is very popular, the Atlantic, and you have seen the Salt. This is the Tasman Salt 2, and I really dig it. And let me tell you why. So the Tasman Salt, like the predecessor really, was designed with a Delica 3 handle, and people really didn't like that. The ergonomics were not quite there. So this version is actually designed after the Delica 4, which is, in my opinion, one of the most comfortable handles I have ever had, especially for someone with small hands like me. It's an excellent choice. It also allows to remain lightweight because of the FRN handle, and it's ergonomic, it's lightweight, and it has the capabilities of not corroding. That's pretty cool in my opinion. So I'll talk about all these features in depth here in a little while. Let me go through specs so we can get those out of the way. This is the boring part, but you guys want to hear it. Okay, overall length 7.05 inches, blade length 2.80, cutting edge of 2.45, blade thickness 0.10. The handle length is 4.25, handle thickness 0.42, and the weight, it's 2.1 ounces, and that is cool in my opinion. Really, really cool. Now, opening mechanism, obviously Spidey hole thumb opening system. The blade, let's talk about that. So this one is a Hawkbill style, fully serrated. It is an H1, and this is what makes this different. That is what will allow it to resist corrosion. You know, most knives, although, most like modern knives, although they are designed with steels that are pretty good at preventing corrosion, this one will be way better, if that makes sense. So I am actually excited to kind of test that out because of where I live, So if you are one of those people that live in the beach, and your activities revolve around boating and fishing and cutting ropes and, kind of prepping for a fishing day, just for an EDC that's lightweight, that it's not even going, you're not even going to notice this in your pants. 2.1 ounces, that's insane. That's great. But it's also comfortable. It's a comfortable handle. I really like that. Made in Seki City, Japan. Let's talk about the handle. So the handle, FRN scales, fiber reinforced nylon. It has the bidirectional scales that you saw in the Delica as well. Comfy, grippy, feels nice, really anti-slip, if that makes sense. It has a titanium black clip that can be carried tip up or tip down, left or right hand carry. It kind of checks all the marks for me, and I do have my Delica here, so I kind of wanted to show you that it is actually the same handle. And I often recommend the Delica as a lightweight sort of carry, especially for women, just because it is so comfortable and lightweight. But if, let's say, my woman friend, lives in the island, I would recommend a Tasman Salt 2. Serge, what is happening? Anyway, I think it's a good one. I do love the full serrations. This comes also without them. But again, because of what it's meant to be for, I appreciate the serrations. I know a lot of people don't like them. They're hard to clean, hard to sharpen, but there's something to be said for the use of the knife and how the serrations are actually a plus, in my opinion. Again, for the kind of use. I think that does it. Did I forget anything, you guys? Oh, lockback mechanism. I think, again, it's kind of like the same as the Delica. So it is a very similar knife. I like it more. I actually even feel like it's easier to open and more comfy for some reason, although it's the same handle. Maybe it's the, I don't know. I really like the jimping too, and I really like the shape of the blade. The Hawkbill is really cool. All right, guys, that does it. The serrated version is actually sold out in a lot of places. I will link my friends at Boss Steel Blades in the description below if you are interested in buying it. It also comes in a lot of different colors. The Salt kind of line of Spyderco, it's really fun. It comes in yellow and green. It's super, super cool. But again, if you're more of a classic kind of person, you get the black one, which is nice. Okay, that does it, you guys. Remember, you can follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of lifestyle over there, and I run some giveaways, so do not miss on those. I also have a Patreon and a Teespring store where you can buy some LittleFitDevil merch and some posters and so on. You can also support me here on YouTube. I have a membership program if you would like to engage a little more with me, get some badges, custom emojis for the super chats on my live feed. You can do that as well. But as always, thank you. Even if you don't do any of that, I appreciate your support here. Thank you for watching. Go ahead, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, consider doing so if you learned something new. And I'll see you guys again in another knife review very, very soon.